if you take your line of logic, and I hope that you attend the debate that we have on the 15th on the crucifixion, because I'm going to show you something about history. But if you take your line of logic, can you give me any first century eyewitness testimony to the crucifixion outside of Jewish literature? I mean, outside of Christian literature?
Nope.
Can you give me any first century eyewitness testimony to the crucifixion outside of Jewish literature? I mean, outside of Christian literature?
Nope.
I know you can't.
You do realize that 98 to 99% of historians unanimously adhere to Jesus dying by crucifixion.
So let me ask you a question, Chris. Right. Out of those same 98, 99% of those historians,
and you know they're not all Christians.
Wait, listen. Out of those same 98, 99% historians that adhere to the fact that Jesus died by crucifixion on the cross, that many of atheists, how many of them adhere to the same theology that Jesus was resurrected? How many? Chris.
Sorry. To be able to provide evidence of a crucifixion, why do you have to present evidence of a resurrection?
No, I'm saying those same 99.
That doesn't make sense, right?
The same 98, 99% of people that you claim adhere to the fact that Jesus died by crucifixion. I'm asking you, from the same Bible, them same historians, why don't they confirm also the same story related to it of the resurrection? Because it's directly related.
Same reason they would deny the miracles in the Quran.
No. Why don't they, if the Bible is okay to take a history for the crucifixion, why is it not acceptable to take as for resurrection?
Because when you look into the, as you've mentioned, atheist or agnostic scholars, and I would quote Bart Ehrman in this, is that even Bart Ehrman,
because Bart Ehrman's going to hurt you if you quote Bart Ehrman, I'm telling you.
Even himself affirms the crucifixion.
Okay, so
historically, the crucifixion is a real event. It actually happened.
No one's debating whether the crucifixion happened.
Bart Ehrman also denies the supernatural.
Chris, no one's debating the crucifixion.
But you do.
The issue for the Muslims is whether Jesus was crucified or not. We're not debating whether a crucifixion took place. We're saying whether it was Jesus or not.
فبما نقضهم ميثاقهم وكفرهم بآيات الله وقتلهم الأنبياء بغير حق وقولهم قلوبنا غلف بل طبع الله عليها بكفرهم فلا يؤمنون إلا قليلا وبكفرهم وقولهم على مريم بهتانا عظيما وقولهم إنا قتلنا المسيح عيسى ابن مريم رسول الله وما قتلوه وما صلبوه ولكن شبه لهم وإن الذين اختلفوا فيه لفي شك ما لهم به من علم إلا اتباع الظن وما قتلوه يقينا.
And if you quote Bart Ehrman is the same guy that tells you that Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John wasn't written by Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John.
The titles in your Gospels, the Gospel according to Matthew and so forth, were added by later editors. They were not put there by the original author. The Gospels don't claim to be written by eyewitnesses.
But that is relevant how to the crucifixion?
It's relevant to the fact that your historians are anonymous and we can't trust them.
They are all anonymous.
It's relevant to the fact that your historians are anonymous and we can't trust them.